guys, Ruckus here, and I'm obviously in the Ruckus garage. So, going to be trying out a new helmet today, but just thought I'd give you a peek of what we have for helmets now. These are our half helmets. So we've got a pretty good collection here. These are Ruckus's up on the top shelf. We've got the back. And then down on the bottom, I've got mine. And these are my helmets. This was the first one Ruckus got for me. I didn't want a black helmet, so he got me the pink Ranger Flames. And that was my second one. And then this is the one I ride daily. Can tell I like flames. So those are the three I've been using. Now, Ruckus got a smoking deal on a full face helmet. I've just been using a camera mount on the front of my bike on the windshield, and he found this carbon fiber full face helmet. So he rigged it up with the GoPro, and it seems I've never done a full face, so it is not super heavy. And he's got the Purple Panda all set up in here. So I'm gonna take that out and try it today, see how it works. Usually I just either handheld the GoPro or use the windshield mount and do voiceover, unless Ruckus is talking. So I'm gonna give that a try today and see how that works. Then of course Ruckus has his showy helmet here. So he's got that matte black, and he did basically the same kind of mount on his with, again, the Purple Panda. So we're gonna see how this works and give it a try. Okay, so this is my first trip with the full face helmet, the GoPro, and the Purple Panda. Kind of an odd feeling with to get used to the full face helmet. And my sunglasses that are digging into my face. I'm gonna have to readjust when I get to my stop, I guess. Deltona today. I'm heading over to a house that I just sold, pick up some paperwork. When I'm not Miss Ruckus, I'm the real estate lady. So my job is kind of nice because I get to go to new places and check out new areas, and it is kind of get to know things in the state. We moved here bike week of 2015, and I had been coming down visiting my relatives down here for several years, but first time either one of us had actually lived in Florida. So there's a lot of places we're still exploring. a little scooter there. In addition to Ruckus getting me the new full-face helmet and hooking up the GoPro on it, he got me a mount for my cell phone on my handlebars. Like a barbecue guy. Be a short trip today, just run into this house and maybe one other one on the way back, and had kind of a 2-hour time limit because I've got dry rub ribs cooking in the oven, so gives me a little 2-hour window till dinner's done. One of these roads up here on the left. There it is right here. This is a nice neighborhood down in here. The house I'm going to is a lake house. A lot smaller than what we're used to in Maine as far as a lake. But very pretty view and nice house. They have a steep driveway, so I'm just going to park on the side of the road here. Alrighty. So yeah, so this is a Cape Cod house, which you don't see a lot of in Florida. It's kind of a cool house, a lot of stonework, had a big stone fireplace. So the new people are moved in and found some paperwork for the previous owners that I'm grabbing for them. So a good excuse to get the bike out. So nice little neighborhood. You can kind of take a peek around here, kind of see down at the back they got the lake back there, so it's a pretty little spot. Looks like they've got some firewood for the fire pit. Real estate market's crazy right now, and this one sold pretty much within a day. So it's not a bad day when you have to take your motorcycle to work. Oh, but yeah, pretty house. New owner should be real happy here. So I'm gonna go straight. I'm assuming this loops around. I've never actually looped. We'll see. Looks like this probably goes out to the main road. Maybe not. Oh, there's a bunny. Oh. Scared that bunny, unfortunately. Alright, now we're back out to where we came in. Alright, off we go. Deltona has a lot of windy roads. The original people that developed the city were the Mackle brothers, and they thought instead of having straight roads, if they did turny roads, twisting roads, that it would kind of keep that small town feel. So there's quite a few turns considering there's so many straight roads in Florida. People are stopping for ducks. Here I am at the house for sale. This one just came on the market today. There was already 3 people ahead of me when I got here. So this is a cash only fixer-upper that I'm previewing for one of my buyers. In the real estate market right now, nothing stays on the market very long if it's priced good and halfway decent. So as soon as the other people get done, I'm gonna take a peek inside and see how much work it really needs. Alright, well, I'm done looking at that house. and headed home. Should have about 15 minutes till the ribs are ready to come out of the oven. Well, just about home now. Got the face shield open, trying to get a little bit of air here.